Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, welcome to my channel. We are now turning really extra ultimate petite community channel. We are going to discuss all the petite important topics. We are going to talk about and review petite fashion, regular fashion, and see if it fits petites or not. If you are a short woman, then click on that like and subscribe and all that. Comment down below what do you think. And today we are talking about Petite's merch. If you're petite, you want some fun design to show everyone that you are really proud to be one, or you know someone that you could buy a gift for because Christmas is really close by Black Friday as well, then keep on watching because this will be interesting. And let's start the video. That's right, we petites have exclusive merch just for petite, made for petites, with fun designs, with relatable stuff. There are some designs already made that I want to introduce you with. There are more coming. I will tell you where you need to follow up or subscribe to not miss out. Obviously my Instagrams, YouTube's, blog, everything is like a must-have to not miss out any petite news, because as I said, we are going to turn this into the biggest community for short women. Don't miss out because there's so many surprises coming in next year, because other petites inspired me and I'm so happy to be part of this already like kind of community of women. They inspire me and I am here to inspire you. Now let's talk about the merch, because that's the most important part. All the links will be down below just so you wouldn't miss out anything, all the new designs, all the new everything. And also if you're not petite and just searching gifts for someone who is not relating to petite stuff, there's so many other designs. I started with really mixed designs. I didn't really have my niche, have my topic, have my anything. Now it's petite, but with a few pinches of just fashion in general, blogging in general, and some TV show, movie kind of inspiration, because sometimes I just get inspired. The merch will be on Redbubble app or page. Redbubble, why? Because I tried them on and I was their customer before I started selling on them, so I had the trust in the process, I had a trust with shipping, I had trust with quality, I had trust with everything. I bought gifts for many people, I supported other artists, I bought for myself gifts, I bought for my boyfriend gifts, and so on. So that's the most important part for why Redbubble. It's not only fashion related. Obviously for me it's the most interesting one to sell like t-shirts or hoodies. They have even miniskirt, leggings, dresses, like so many different stuff that I hope one day I will try them all. But they do have also interior products, stationery, stickers, gifts, as I said, like mugs and all that stuff. I see it kind of as a sustainable option. I'm not sure and I cannot promise that it's like 100% sustainable. I'm pretty sure it's not. However, it's not like some people or some, for example, YouTubers print thousands of t-shirts and then they don't sell any and it's just there somewhere in factory just laying there, you know. They only print on demand, which is POD, which this stands for, which means that they only print when you order it. So maybe it will be a little bit longer to receive it, but at least you know that it's made special for you for your order. So that's pretty cute and cool stuff as well, I think. Please comment down below if you have some suggestions, if you have some doubts, if you have some questions, if you have some requests maybe about art that you would want me to do. I can do like actual custom made just for you if you have requests. And also which one you like the best. I'm going to show you and introduce you with some designs that I have already made. Then one thing which I always repeat because I think it's really important, how prices are made. The price point can be really vary from one to another, just because what we do as artists is we have like this base price and then we can put percentage on the price, which goes for us artists. So in the beginning I did only 5% because I was so scared I'm not going to sell. I wanted to just bring it out and be a little bit cheaper than others. And then I understood that like it kind of sucked when someone even bought like a big product and you get like €2, let's say like that, or €1 and you're like, I think I deserve a little bit more. So many people are doing this because obviously like I have even a business plan. So many people don't know it. I have even a business plan for a fashion brand with a great idea with everything until the T, the last detail, but I cannot do it. I don't have money, I don't have investors, I don't have anything to do it, so this is a great way to, it's easier because you don't have to think about shipping, you don't have to think about anything else, so therefore most of the money goes to the company and then we put the percentage on which goes for us. I have now mostly, I think, between 15 and up to maybe 30% of that margin goes to me. Just so you know, I'm really open about it. I'm not going to get a millionaire of this. There are people, really famous stores on Redbubble that gets like kind of a really like you can survive from that in a month, like really cool. I would be so happy. But right now, it's really like a small kind of pocket money, which I'm still really thankful for. This pocket money literally goes into my blog, into investments, into just giving you the free content again, and to create new designs and to create new work, support Petite community. This is something that I bought, one of the first Petite designs I created, so I wanted to try it on, obviously, to see how it looks like on. So I bought this t-shirt, white t-shirt. It's actually a long one, but I put it in the mini skirt, so it looks like a cuter one. It's really lightweighted. It's more for a summer one, but with the t-shirts, I love that you have so different t-shirts. You have unisex t-shirts, you have classic t-shirts, you have long t-shirts, you have scoop t-shirts, you have loose t-shirts, fitted t-shirts, v-neck t-shirts, so many to choose from. As I said, when I was like only a customer, I had one really great quality. It's really thicker one, so for winter and so on, I would suggest maybe those ones. And then I bought, as I go for campings and so on, I didn't have a hat, so I also got this hat which says the same, Petite Queen. So this is one of the first ones, and I actually really love it. Like a rainbow and like purpley toned ones. And then there are other ones which I really love. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Okay, there is one which you can kind of interpret in two ways. Either it says luggage size, not tiny, or it says travel size, not tiny. Again, on so many different things. Even if you want to just surprise your friend, you can just get either a postcard or you can get a sticker with it. I think it's really cute. And then I made this kind of Friends inspired, which says Petite with like a points between it, like a Friends TV show kind of this logo. I thought it's really like aesthetic and simple, but really cute. Like I love it. Then it says this one, which was like some time ago. I think it was really famous to do this art, which is like kind of pulled out of vocabulary, which says like Petite, known, Petite, tiny ninja of death. I thought this is really cute. And also, I don't remember if I at the end did put it on baby clothes, but some could be really good also for baby clothes, like kids. And some really go great for dogs. They have dogs and cats products as well. Like, so if you know someone who has like a tiny dog, for example, like Chihuahua or something, I think it's really cute, like a gift. For example, the same like a travel size but not tiny. Then there is Petite and So What, which is like a little bit proud of it. And then I created Legally Blonde one, and that's pretty cute. I love that one. And so many different designs, so I really suggest you to check it out and see if you like something and buy gifts for Christmas and so on. Usually they have sales on Black Friday, on Cyber Week. Comment down below anything you want to comment. Be respectful, be kind. We are just going to create the cutest petite community here on this channel, so you don't want to miss that out. Share, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and see you guys next time. Bye.